Today we're going to be talking about the integumentary system. What is the largest organ in the human body? Believe it or not, the largest organ in the human body is actually the integumentary system. What are the properties of organs and tissues? Well, an organ is made up of similar tissues doing a common function. So in that case, what do you think the functions of the skin would be? When we're talking about the integumentary system, functions of the skin are many. They include protection, storage and synthesis, sensation, heat regulation, excretion, absorption, and water resistance. Some of the features include being able to protect our body, regulate our body temperature, eliminate waste, interact with the external environment, and produce vitamin D. The integumentary system is also crucial to maintaining homeostasis by cooling and heating up the body through perspiration. The structure includes skin cells, which are organized into two parts: the top layer, or the epidermis, and the bottom layer, or the dermis. You can take a look at this image to see which parts are in each. For the epidermis, we have the hair shaft, which is the hair that comes out at the top of your skin. The dermis contains oil glands, nerves, arteries, veins, sweat glands, the hair follicle, and other things. The epidermis is the outer, thinner portion. It's composed of epithelial tissue. The dermis is composed of connective tissue. It contains collagen and elastic fibers. It varies in thickness. The thinnest part of the dermis is that around your ears. Have you ever wondered about skin color? Well, there are three pigments that contribute to skin color. The first is called melanin. That's located mostly in the epidermis, or the top layer of your skin. The second pigment is called keratin. That's located mostly in the dermis. The third pigment is hemoglobin, which is found in red blood cells within the capillaries in the dermis. Do you remember what capillaries are? I hope so. Now we're going to take a look at the appendages of the skin. The first one we want to talk about is hair. Your hair is composed of columns of dead cells that were welded together. The primary function of hair is protection. If you look at this image of hair follicles and hair, you'll see the hair shaft, which sticks out at the top here. You'll see the glands. You'll see the root of the hair bulb, the hair matrix, and the hair papilla at the very bottom here. Another appendage of the skin are the glands. There are three different kinds that I want you to know. The first is the sebaceous gland. This gland is responsible for moistening hair and oiling the skin. The second is the sweat gland. This gland produces perspiration, which also carries a small amount of waste to the surface and helps you to maintain that body temperature. The last one is the wax gland. This one is found in your ear. Did you know your earwax is actually a protectant? Its job is to protect the ear from particles that originate outside of the body, such as sand or dust. Another appendage of the skin that I'd like you to know is the nail. Our fingernails are plates of tightly packed hard cells of the epidermis. The nail body is the main part of the nail that's visible. The nail root is the whitish semilunar area of the nail that's down by your cuticle. The nail tip is the part that extends past the digit, typically. That is all that I would like you to know. What I would like you to do now is take a look at your assignment for this topic. Read over the questions, read over the rubric. Remember, first use this presentation to answer the questions. If you don't find what you're looking for, I did assign you some things in Discovery Ed. Watch those short video clips, read those passages, and those will also help you answer the questions. Lastly, if you can't find the answers you need, you can go online, but make sure you cite any sources that you use. Have a great day.